Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is make a really simple GUI setup. So I'll have a timestamp in the description to where you can just skip to just the scripting part. So I'm gonna speed this process up a little for me creating the simple GUI setup. So let's get into it. Okay, now that I have my really simple setup, I'm going to start scripting the open button first. So this button right here. So in that button, I'm gonna add a local script. You can delete the stuff in here. First, I'm gonna make locals. I don't know, but first I'm gonna start with the open button. Goes script parent, which is this is the script. This is the script, and the text button is the parent. So local frame is equal to script parent frame. Okay, now let's start doing the actual scripting. So I'm going to do open button or whatever you put for right there. Mouse. So if you just type M, it'll come up with all the stuff. So I like to use this one, which is mouse button 1 up. So when you click your left mouse button, if you just hold it down and don't let it up, it won't do anything. But once you pick your finger up from it, it will activate. So personally, I like to use that. So colon, connect, and in these parentheses, type function, and then add another set of parentheses by pressing this one. So yeah, I'm gonna do an if then else thing. So if frame.visible is equal to false. If you want to do like is equal to, you have to use 2 equal signs. If the frame is not visible, then frame.visible, turn it to true. Else frame.visible, keep it at false. So now this should work. Before you test it, make sure the visibility on the frame is off, so it will actually work. So I'm gonna press F5 to play the game. Now if you press the button, it will open. Now there isn't a way yet to close it. You would use this X button, but it's not possible right now because we haven't scripted it. So let's do that right now. In the X button, in the frame, it must be in the frame or else I don't think it'll work. We're gonna add local script in here. Again, delete the stuff in there. And now I'm gonna make some more of these. So X button equal script.parent. So again, this is the script, the X button is the parent. Now I'm gonna reference the frame again, script.parent. Okay, now we're just gonna do the script pretty much backwards, I think. So sorry, I'm using I think a lot because I'm not good at scripting. So I'm gonna do that. And again, I'm gonna use mouse button 1 up and connect function, add another set of parentheses. If frame.visible is equal to true. Then frame.visible, turn it to false. Else frame.visible, keep it at true. Now if we test it, press this button, it will open. If you press this one, it'll close. So we've successfully scripted the GUI opener and closer, if you know what I mean. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.